What is this mess?
What do you mean?
Look at your room.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad? Your room looks disgusting. Look at all this trash. Why is this room so nasty? How long has it been like this?
What do you mean?
Well, this trash. There are even flies.
Oh, that's been there for 3 months already. And the flies have names. They're my friends.
What? They have names?
Yes, Sum and Fred.
It's so disgusting here. Clean your room right away.
Nope, I don't find it disgusting here.
Hang on a minute. What is that on the wall? Do I even want to know that?
You don't. I'd better keep that to myself.
Oh my God, I'm getting sick.
Can you please go? You're bothering me a bit.
I'm bothering you?
Yes, I'm watching YouTube.
Oh, please excuse me. Queen Mia, how could I disturb you?
I forgive you.
Pia, please come here quickly. Otherwise, I'm about to have a heart attack.
Dad, you mustn't be so upset.
I shouldn't be upset.
Yes, that's not good for your heart.
Why do you think I'm mad now?
I don't know that.
Mia,
Yes?
you're cleaning up your room now.
I don't want to.
Clean your room, Mia.
I don't think so.
You clean up your room right now.
No. N and O.
I know how to spell no. You will get a kebab if you clean up your room.
I'll start right away.
Crazy how much Mia loves kebab. Okay, you clean up and I'll get kebab. With onions, right?
No. Are you crazy? I hate onions.
When I get back, your room will be tidy. Otherwise, you won't get the kebab.
How long do you need?
20 minutes. Can you do that?
Yes, of course. I am a good cleaner.
I'm excited.
Well, I've got 20 minutes. Then I can still watch YouTube.
20 minutes later.
Great video.
I'm back.
Oh no. Have 20 minutes already passed?
I'll check if Mia has cleaned up. Otherwise, she won't get her kebab.
What am I supposed to do now? I must quickly clean my room. Dad is almost here. But how am I supposed to do that?
I got the kebab.
Good, I'll set the table.
Please wait, Pia. First, I want to see if Mia cleaned her room.
And if she hasn't cleaned her room?
Then she won't get the kebab. I'm really excited.
Dad will be so angry. Hang on a minute. I've got an idea.
Mia, I'm back. I hope you cleaned your room. I will check now.
I did it. I'm such a good cleaner. Oh, Dad is coming.
Wow, it looks really good here.
Yes. My room has never been so clean.
Did you put your poster on the stain?
Yes. It looks better that way.
All right.
Can we eat kebab now? I managed to clean my room.
Yes, true. Come with me. Hang on, there's something else. It's paper. You forgot that.
Do I get kebab now?
Yes, it's not that bad. Hang on a minute. What is that? I can't believe it. All the trash is under your bed.
Yes, and I cleaned my room up.
Do you call this cleaning?
Yes, of course.
Well, Mia, you still need an internship, right?
Yes, I've been fired 3 times already.
Good. Then I've got the perfect idea.
What though?
You will work as a cleaner.
But I don't want to become a cleaner.
This will be good for you, Mia. Then you'll learn how to clean properly.
And if I don't want to?
Did you forget what Mr. Schmidt said?
What did he say?
If you don't do an internship, you won't get into 10th grade.
Oh yes, I remember.
Please do an internship as a cleaner.
All right, where do I do that?
I have a friend. I'll call her right away.
I will definitely finish the internship this time. Cleaning is not that difficult.
Hi, Ling. This is Paul.
Hi, Paul. What can I do for you?
My daughter must do an internship, and I thought she could do it with you.
Do you think she can do that? After all, cleaning can be very exhausting.
Yes, Mia can do that. She is a very hardworking girl.
All right, tell me if she starts tomorrow at 上午10点.
All right, I'll drive her to you tomorrow. Thank you, Ling. I owe you something.
We could go on a date.
Haha, I have a wife, Ling. You know that.
Haha, we could still go on a date.
You're a very attractive woman, Ling. But I love my wife.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow, sweetie.
Every woman loves me. I'm such a cool guy.
Why did I marry this cool guy? Can we eat the kebab now?
Mia, I've got news.
Who did you talk to on the phone?
To Ling, Mia starts an internship with her tomorrow.
Does this Ling like you?
Haha, yes. I think Ling likes me.
Then marry that girl.
Don't be jealous, Pia.
I'm not jealous. Have fun with Ling. Dad is sleeping on the couch today, Max.
I deserve that.
The dog farted. Maybe I should upload YouTube videos too.
Your internship starts tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
YouTubers earn a lot of money.
You won't become a YouTuber. Starting tomorrow, you'll learn how to clean. The internship is important, Mia.
The cat farted too.
She doesn't listen to me at all. Mia,
Oh, you're in my room, Dad.
be ready tomorrow at 9:30 a.m.
Huh? What did Dad say?
The next morning, it's 9:30 a.m. Wake up, Mia. I have no strength for that.
I need to get up.
You really set your alarm?
Yes, I want to go to 10th grade.
I'm proud of you, Mia.
I'm proud of you too, Dad.
Why are you proud of me?
I forgot that.
Just get up now. I'll drive you
Huh? Where is my dad taking me?
to your internship. Hurry up. Do you want to clean with this outfit?
Yes, why not?
That's not a good idea. But I don't care now. Come on, we must go.
All right. I'm bored.
Your internship has not even started.
I'm hungry.
You ate 5 kebabs yesterday.
I need to pee.
Why didn't you go to the bathroom at home?
I forgot.
Maybe you can use Ling's bathroom.
I don't have to pee anymore.
Good, Mia. Hang on a minute. Why don't you have to pee anymore?
Dad, do you really want to know?
No.
Are we there now?
Yes, we are. This is Ling's house.
Her house is so cute. I need to pee urgently again. And I need to poop now too.
You must be Mia.
Where is the toilet?
Second door on the right. You must take off your shoes, Mia.
That felt so good. I'll go to Ling again. Oh no, what did I do? I've clogged the toilet. I can't lose my internship again. I need to do something.
Is everything okay, Mia?
Yes, it's all right.
Water comes from under the door. What's up, Mia?
Nothing. I need a plunger quickly. The water just keeps rising.
Open the door, Mia. Everything gets wet here.
Yes, right away. I have the plunger. But how do you use that thing?
Paul, I need your help. Your daughter is doing something in the bathroom.
Oh no. What did Mia do?
I can't breathe anymore. Come on, Mia. Save the world. I mean save the house.
What's up, Ling?
Don't you see the water? Mia did that.
Mia, do you hear us?
I can't do it. Why did I eat so much kebab?
What was that sound?
I think that was the door.
When does my internship start?
Are you serious about that?
Ling, please. Otherwise, Mia won't get a 10th grade.
She destroyed my house. Everything is wet.
I'll give you money.
No, go on a date with me.
Pia would kill me.
Then give me $2,000.
Okay, can Mia do an internship here then?
Yes, we'll start right away.
I have to go back to the bathroom.
Go to the garden, Mia. We will leave in 10 minutes to a customer.
Okay, I'm happy.
10 minutes later.
Bye. Dad, I'm going to work now.
Please don't get fired, Mia. You need this internship.
Don't worry. Cleaning is easy.
We'll see. Come on, Mia.
I already feel sorry for Ling.
How long have you been working as a cleaner?
For 25 years.
And how much do you earn as a cleaner?
$1,700 a month.
Is that not bad?
It's enough, Mia.
Where are we going right now?
To our customer. I clean there once a month. I need you to help me.
No problem. I'm good at cleaning.
I must warn you, Mia. This customer is very messy. His house is very disgusting.
I'm excited.
We're here now.
The house looks pretty good.
Then wait until we're inside. It's bad, isn't it?
This looks like my room. Where is the customer?
I think he's working right now.
I'm going to clean here and you clean the bathroom. Did you understand?
Yes, I hope the bathroom isn't so disgusting.
Do your best. I'll come and have a look later.
It will be so easy. It's really disgusting here. But I must finish this internship. What should I start with?
I wonder what Mia is doing right now. If she makes it, I'll give her $50.
It's crazy that Ling does that every day. She is a really strong woman.
It's getting clean. For this, I must drive to another customer.
I don't even know what this is. At the end, I clean the toilet.
I'll be able to visit my parents in China soon. Then I've saved enough money. I haven't seen them in 12 years. Well, I'll check how far Mia is.
I'll never say cleaning is easy again. This stinks so much.
I'm finished. I'll check what Mia is doing. I can't believe it. Why is Mia sleeping? Mia, wake up.
Huh? What's up?
Why do you sleep while at work?
That was so exhausting. Am I fired now?
You are. Hang on a minute. It's totally clean here.
Yes, I tried really hard.
You may continue the internship.
Ling, I don't think I want that.
Why not, Mia?
Your job is very hard. You're really insane to do that every day.
Thank you, but you need an internship for school.
I must find another internship.
Okay, I'll still give you $50.
Thank you. I use it to buy doner kebab. Give a thumbs up for the next part, and click on this episode.